It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Ranger XLT in Cactus Gray. You have the premium cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It has a tonneau cover, a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine. It's also paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have the trailer tow hitch, as well as a power sliding rear window, or a sliding rear window, I should say, and many other features. If you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. All-weather mats on the floor. You've got your lighting controls, and you got your high mount light as well, and then a running board making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, adaptive cruise control, your volume with media, and hands-free dialing. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up. The menu has sub-menus, and you can toggle through it. At the top, we've got a little cubby here. Our screens come up. We've got our audio that we can go into. I'm just going to turn down the volume. Sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then we also have our climate control. You're going to see you have dual climate control, your ACs there, and then your rear defrost. And then you can go into navigation. Your map will come up. You can choose your destination. And in settings, you have different options. You can just slide through for whatever it is that you would like. You've got your FordPass Connect in there. You can Apple CarPlay. You can change the look of your display screen. And this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close you are to other objects or vehicles. Let's put us back into park. And we have our volume and tuner. And then down below, you have your defrost, front and rear, AC and max AC. You've got USB outlets down below, plus your 12 volts. And then here you have auto stop start for less idle time, your tow haul, your parking sensors, and your traction control. You have 4x4, automatic select shifter, the emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, lots of storage in there as well. Glove compartments off to the side, and then your auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and grab handle in the body. 18-inch wheels, black running boards, and black door handle. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. And you also have the black handle in the rear. Just below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. And you also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And you also have the ability, when you open this up, nice lined box, tie downs in all 4 corners, and the tonneau cover, which is very handy. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and power locks. There's seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. And so you can bring up the armrest that has the cup holders, and then just pull the tab. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull up one. And then you've got a little bit of storage in your jacks there. And then on the floor, carpeted mats, slim pockets out in the back of the front seat, USB and the 110 volt. You've got your dome lighting up top, as well as hooks and handles off to the side. And then in the back, a sliding window with rear defrost. Tonneau cover on your box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.